Hi, good afternoon everybody. Teacher Everson here once again with you. And now we're going to talk about, let me think, we're about to talk about plurals. Because here in front of you there is one person to teach you. Uma pessoa para te ensinar. One person, two persons, no, two people. So one person, two people. So today we're going to learn irregular plurals. Okay, plural irregular. Different from Portuguese. Portuguese we just add s at the end. Pessoa, pessoas. In English is different. Let's see more examples. So irregular plurals. In this list, here we have a list with many words. So repeat with me. Child, children, woman, women, man, men. Similar sound. Goose, geese, mouse, mice. Foot, one foot, 2 feet, pés. Tooth, one tooth, teeth, 2 or more. Cactus, cacti. One person, 2 of me, 2 people. And the last one, ox, oxen. Okay, so very important, some irregular plurals. Okay? Criança, mulher, homem, ganso, rato, pé, dente, cacto, pessoa e boi. Okay, I hope I have helped you today. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.